The major event in bankruptcy this week was oral argument in the fourth and last bankruptcy case to be heard this term in the U.S. Supreme Court. The case was called Tyler, and the question is this: can a real estate tax foreclosure violate the takings clause of the Fifth Amendment? Here's what happened. A lady owed about $15,000 in real estate taxes. It was foreclosed by the municipality, later sold for $50,000, and the municipality did not pay any of the surplus proceeds to this debtor. In about 20 states in this country, the same rule applies. In a real estate tax foreclosure, the foreclosing tax authority does not have to give the excess proceeds back to the owner of the property above whatever the real estate taxes were. There was a split of circuits. The Supreme Court granted certiorari, and I am going on record in my column today on ABI's website by predicting that the Supreme Court is going to find a violation of the takings clause. Well, this is all well enough, and this decision by the Supreme Court on the takings clause will doubtless influence other courts in other matters involving the takings clause. But there is one notable effect that this case can have on an issue that does arise with frequency in bankruptcy cases. That's this: there is a split of circuits on whether or not a real estate tax foreclosure can be a fraudulent transfer. Maybe 15 years ago, the Supreme Court held that a regularly conducted real estate mortgage foreclosure cannot be set aside as a fraudulent transfer. And as I said, the courts were split on whether or not you could set aside a tax foreclosure as a fraudulent transfer. Well, it seems to me that if the Supreme Court is going to rule, as I suspect they will, that a real estate tax foreclosure can be a violation of the U.S. Constitution, then I think also on the grounds of fraudulent transfer, they also can be attacked. I am Bill Rochelle, the editor-at-large for American Bankruptcy Institute. I shall return same time next week with something interesting from the world of bankruptcy. Until then, be well, stay safe, and a good day.